What's going on, guys? I'm Davis Diley, and this is how to perform incline bench press.
First, lean back on the bench and place your hands on the barbell. Once you have your hands spaced out evenly, rotate your palms so that the barbell rests across the heel of your hand. Close your hands and maintain a tight grip around the bar throughout the entire movement. Carefully lift the barbell up and pull it out over your upper chest. With your arms locked, rotate your shoulder blades underneath your chest. Another way to think of it is to try to put your shoulders into your back pockets. While doing this, push your chest up towards the ceiling and create an arch with your lower back. Now, establish tightness throughout the rest of your body. Press your heels down into the floor. Squeeze your glutes together. Breathe in and brace your core as if you were preparing to be punched in the stomach. Then, lower the barbell all the way down to your upper chest. Your arms should be placed at approximately a 45-degree angle in relation to your torso. Do not allow your arms to flare outward too far to a 90-degree angle. From there, drive the weight back up to the top and repeat the process as follows. There are a couple of good training variations that I like to use with this movement. The first is a controlled tempo negative. To perform this method, simply lower the weight all the way down to your chest at a consistent speed over a predetermined length of time, usually 3 to 5 seconds. It gives you far more time under tension and will require you to use less weight than you would on normal paced repetitions. The second effective variation is to perform pause repetitions. Simply lower the barbell down to your chest and pause it there for a predetermined length of time, usually 1 to 3 seconds.